Hi, thanks for contacting me. In this video, I'll show you the steps I wrote out to you in written form. If you if you have an account, make sure since you've already indicated that you have an account on the YouTube homepage, make sure that's the case, that you're logged in by this icon in the top right corner. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on that. Go down to and click on settings. Okay, and then towards the middle of the page, to create a new channel, click on highlight in blue, add or manage your channel. Okay, and then once you're there, click on create a new channel. All right, and then Bitcoin Cats 00, and then check off I understand, and then click create highlighted in blue. All right, and now once this page has loaded, go ahead and go up to your account icon again and click on your channel. Okay, and then once that's uploaded, go ahead and click create a vid. There we go. Once that's uploaded, go ahead and click on upload a video. Okay, click continue and select files, highlight in blue, and then upload the video file that you desire, such as Bitcoin Cats here, and then click upload. Okay, now from here the video is pretty much uploaded. Now all you have to do is make customizations such as, for example, no, not for kids, or do you want it to be monetized with ads and things like that, but before actually publishing it. But this should be enough to get you started. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.